Hello, boys and girls. This week we're taking a look at literary nonfiction. Literary nonfiction are biography, autobiography, and memoir. Remember, we've talked about how they combine elements of fiction and nonfiction and kind of put them together. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to look at are the different elements and things that we look to analyze literary nonfiction. The first one is going to be the subject right here, which that's who the text is about. So who are we learning about? Who's this person? Next, we're going to talk about the setting. Where does the text take place? Now, a lot of times they'll give us multiple settings, and this is when I want you to look at the most important one that has a contribution to the subject and an impact on them, okay? So their setting could be at a specific time, place in history or a specific area, and it has an impact on them. The next are those influences, and this is who the subject affects. So it's the impact the subject has on other people. So who are they influencing because of themselves and what they've done, what they've chose to do in life? All right, so the next one is goals. All these literary nonfictions that we're going to read, the subject wants something. What is the goal that they're trying to achieve? What do they want? Okay, and next are going to be the challenges. So while we learn about our subject, they're going to go through some problems, some obstacles. What are the things that they have some trouble with? Next is going to be accomplishments. Okay, and this is what the subject achieves. What is the successes that they have? What do they accomplish? What are they achieving? What are those great things that they did or the things that they overcame? And then lastly, when we're done reading these literary nonfictions, we can find a lesson, okay? What can we learn? What theme can we take away from these people that we're learning about, the subjects, and what they did in their life? How can I apply that to my life? Okay, so these are kind of those steps that we go over when analyzing literary nonfiction. A new thing that we're going to talk about, literary nonfiction, having figurative language, okay? So remember how I said that they take those elements of both fiction and nonfiction and combine them? So that figurative language comes from our fiction elements. Why do you think the author chooses to put figurative language inside of biographies and memoirs? And one of the main reasons is because they want to give you a visual and drama. Okay, they want to create a visual of that subject, and they want to give you some kind of drama, some kind of feel to it, rather than just a whole bunch of lists of facts. Another thing that they want to do is kind of establish a mood, or they want to emphasize an observation that you might need to have clarification on in the text. So when we analyze the figurative language within literary nonfiction texts, the first thing that you do right here is think about the type of figurative language that's being used. So identifying that. Are they using a simile? Are they using a metaphor? Is there personification? What type of figurative language are they using? And then after that, you're going to think, what was the purpose of the author doing that figurative language in the text? Is it that they wanted to create that drama element? Did they want to give you a visual or some sort of imagery? Did they want to set that mood? Or did they want to clarify and emphasize an observation for you? Okay, so this is something new that we're going to be talking about this week. I hope this video kind of helps you a little bit as you're doing your assignments. If you have any questions, reach out to me, and I look forward to talking to y'all this week.